I'm going to demonstrate how you change the speeds of these machines. You have a sealer here and a conveyor. It's all done with a variable frequency drive inside this electrical cabinet, which you should be a qualified technician to make this change. The first thing you're going to want to do is over here we have a start and a stop button. You just want to press this stop button. The machine will cool down on its own and then it will stop. So once that happens, the next thing that you're going to want to do is disconnect the power. So on top of this box is a disconnect switch. You're going to turn this off. You have a key to get into the box. So I'll open up this panel, and then this thing tilts back like this. What you have in here is drives. One is for the conveyor and one is for the sealer. You have a few other items, but right here there's a disconnect for the power. You're going to need to take a small straight bladed screwdriver and turn this on. So you insert it into this white piece that's inside here and you just turn it on. That's going to turn the power onto the machine. What you'll then have to do is start the machine. So you go over to the green button, which is over here, and you push the start button. So now the machine's running with this door open. You'll notice these drives here, and in this particular case, unfortunately you're upside down, but it says 30. And that's 30 feet per minute is what's happening here. Right here, you got 30. So you have a master and a slave, and when you turn one of these knobs, this is the slave, and you notice nothing's happening here. All right? But over here, it'll say system speed adjustment. When you turn this knob, I'm going to change both of them. You see I'm going up, so now I'm 39 feet a minute, 40 minute, 45 a minute, it's 46 feet a minute. So this is how you adjust the speed of both the conveyor and the sealer if there's two drives in here. Some machines might only have one drive, and then you'll just adjust that like that. So we turn this back down to, we'll leave it at 35 for the sake of argument. So now the machine's running at 35 feet a minute. So now you're going to close this all up again. So you stop the machine like before. You take your screwdriver, you turn the power off. You close this door. You take this key and latch the panel so the panel's closed. You turn this power disconnect back on. Wait a couple of seconds and go over here and press the green button and start the machine up again. So now it is running at 35 feet a minute. So that's what you have to do to change the speed of the sealer and the conveyor.